All right, real quick, we're going to talk about what we do with our AC dryer. So normally this is running vertically right here and it hangs down pretty low and is quite vulnerable off-road. So we like to take it and rotate it upward. To do so, it's pretty simple, but you do want to be careful of these aluminum lines. So as you bend this up, you want to kind of force that aluminum line to bend in any other point other than the connection here. We don't want to break that. So I'm going to push on this aluminum line and just slowly bend it in place. Be careful, watch what you're doing. Once you get it where you want it, make sure those lines are not rubbing any sheet metal or hoses. If they are, bend them a little more. And then we'll take the factory bracket here, which used to be mounted like so, and we're going to actually rotate it with it. I'm going to cut that top ear off, leaving the bolt. Cut this back roughly 1 inch, 1 1/4, so it's not hanging past there. And then we're going to use this factory bolt point. So this will actually slide in. We'll undo that bolt, put it in there, and then put our other clamping bolt back in. And again, once it's all tight, make sure everything's clear and those lines aren't rubbing anything. One thing to touch on, I know technically you're not supposed to run this dryer horizontally, it's meant to be vertical. We've done it this way, many have done it this way, have not had an issue. The way I look at it is if your AC is working, might as well go ahead and give this a go. Otherwise you have to relocate something under the hood, or you leave it down and you hit it, bust it on the trail. So again, we've done multiples this way, our customers have done it, we haven't had a single issue as of yet.